Okay, that was awesome.
Let's talk about why an army was guarding a salvage yard.
You saw the drugs?
What drugs?
The cars.
Give this man a prize.
They're taking apart stolen cars, lining them with drugs, putting them back together
And
and...
selling them to the dealership. God, I wish I'd thought of that.
It's Kang's dealership. Trains bring in the stolen cars from all over. Kang fills the cars with drugs. Dawes' guys run the trains.
Dawes' guys. Really?
Yeah, the trains unload right next to Kang's chop shop. I mean, it's not that far. You guys want to check it out?
Let's go put this Mr. Kang out of business.
Sure, why not? It's been a pretty quiet day so far.
All right, the heart of the operation's up here.
This better be worth it.
As long as it hurts Dawes, it's worth it.
So, who's this Kang guy?
Runs downtown LA, likes putting people in car crushers. Has a hot wife.
Pays well. Except for the car crusher thing, he sounds okay.
He's also the center of Dawes' LA operation. He goes down, Dawes is out front.
Let's go introduce ourselves.
All the nights a gang war could start, it's gotta be this one. Fucking perfect.
Calm.
Oh, there!
I got you covered.
I'm on the move. We got a shooter! Get that way!
Going in.
He's around here! Over here!
I'm right with you, Nick.
Knock him! Oh! He went this way! He's here! Help him out!
I can't believe we didn't even have time to change out of our threads.
Not long. A few minutes after the hour. Anybody see the angle? Tommy had it.
What the fuck is that? Hold it.
Don't buy one from Toso.
Don't you move.
Unless you
Don't
want
shoot.
one that runs on kilos. Anybody see an extra
All right,
spark
man.
plug?
I got an iridium one somewhere. You want copper?
Yeah, whatever you got. I'm tapped out, man. Take a dip. Whoa.
Stop! Hands up!
Don't shoot! All right, man.
Stop! I got you covered.
These guys are fucking crazy!
Going in. I'm right with you, Nick.
God damn it! Fuck! Check this up there! Damn! God damn it! Right there! What the hell is this? Get up! What the fuck do you think you are?
Say pigs down!
Must be something worth protecting back there.
Think we hit the mother load.
That's $9.9 million worth of coke.
What are you, drug Rain Man?
Come on, let's leave it for the cops.
I'm not letting cops take this.
Then what are you gonna do with it?
We're in Los Angeles. I can unload this in 6 days. What am I talking about? I know a pro basketball player. 4 days.
Tyson, I'm not kidding. Let's go.
I'm getting this out of here. You can help me if you like.
That forklift goes like 0 miles an hour. You'll get to Hollywood by next week.
Oh, come on. Hey, Tyson, I'm not blind.
Oh, then what are you doing?
This goddamn thing, I'm almost free.
Well, maybe you get the hell out of it!
Tyson, goddammit, get behind and push! Come on!
Oh, fuck it!
Not a word.
So you're gonna update us or what?
You really want me to explain to you the super technical stuff I'm doing right now?
No.
Well, here's something.
What is it?
Party invite sent to Kang. Interesting address he lists, too. Half these guys I work for.
Says the party's on Mount Olympus. That's some kind of code?
Actually, that's a real neighborhood, believe it or not. And the party's tonight.
Kai and I'll check it out. You up for that?
I'm not much of a party girl, but... All right.
Sexy.
Okay, come on. It's gonna go off soon.
Where'd you get that thing anyway?
Boomer. He's worked for more than a couple of bank robbers. Let's find a way inside. Something other than the front door. If we break in, it's gotta be subtle. Relatively subtle.
So who owns the house?
Neil Rourke, noted skis bag. That's drugs, guns.
Someone who'd be interested in Dawes' private police force.
That's my guess. He's got serious security, which is why... I brought that. Don't worry about any alarm. The power's out. Those are just the emergency lights. Power's still out. Trust me, Boomer knows his stuff.
We're in. Now let's figure out where we plant the bug.
Boomer said a lot of shitbags were coming to the meeting. Let's look for a conference room or something.
This way.
Is it me, or does this place seem a little too quiet?
As long as I'm not being shot at, no complaints. What kind of an asshole lives in a place like this?
A rich asshole.
Up here. Fuck this house, and fuck this view.
Knock it off! Let's find a way inside. Something other than the front door. If we break in, it's gotta be subtle. Relatively subtle.
So who owns the house?
Neil Rourke, noted skis bag. Drugs, guns.
Someone who'd be interested in Dawes' private police force.
That's my guess. He's got serious security, which is why... Mendoza, knock it off! Let's find a way inside. Something other than the front door. Hey, watch it! That might tip him off.
So who owns the house?
Neil Rourke, noted skis bag. Into drugs, guns.
Someone who'd be interested in Dawes' private police force.
My God. He's got serious security, which is why... I brought that. Don't worry about any alarm. The power's out. Those are just the emergency lights. Power's still out. Trust me, Boomer knows his stuff.
We're in. Now let's figure out where we plant the bug.
Boomer said a lot of shitbags were coming to the meeting. Let's look for a conference room or something.
This way.
Is Is it me, or does this place seem a little too quiet?
As long as I'm not being shot at, no complaints. What kind of an asshole lives in a place like this?
Up here. Fuck this house, and fuck this view.
Oh, crap, sorry. Left my phone on.
I take it this is your first burglary?
Haha. Whoa, you hear that? Meeting's not for 2 hours, right?
That's what Kang's email said.
Let's just plant this bug and get out of here.
This'll work. Okay, bug's planted.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Come on.
Hey, lights are back on. Have to turn on the generator.
I thought this thing started at midnight.
Schedule change.
Right this way, gentlemen. Make yourselves comfortable.
I thought Kang was supposed to be here. Kang's not coming.
Oh, his wife's sick.
Sick? She's 25 years old. What does she have, a runny nose? Kang's out of the picture, officially. Which is why we're meeting now rather than later. I thought you were supposed to be his protection. We offer several tiers of security. Who killed him? You? Man, I'm out of here.
Gentlemen, sit down. Shut up. Allow the man to talk.
You know, guys, this doesn't have to be this difficult. In Miami, we brokered truces between assholes like you. Any arguments we settled like this, talking. Now, we don't want your turf or your product. What we have is a network of cops, military contractors, and border patrol. By paying us, you get access to that network.
It worked in Miami, so I'd like nothing better than to see our own local luminaries start thinking like actual businessmen.
Well done.
Now, gentlemen, a limo crammed with some of Hollywood's finest part-time cosmetology students is en route. Please, make your way to the Boom Boom Room. And enjoy. You, want to talk about it?
The guy that whacked Kang might be an old friend of mine. I need to just talk to some people. Should be back later tonight, though.
Well, your money will be stored in my Sanctum Sanctorum, rest assured.
That son of a bitch is here.
Kai,
If we sneak out this window, we can still catch him.
forget Stoddard. I've got an idea.
What?
Give me your phone.
Okay. Why?
Anything important on here?
Just that candy game?
If we get this phone into one of those briefcases, we can track it.
So you want to steal Dawes' dirty money before it gets laundered?
Yeah.
Sounds fun, actually, but you're on your own.
Wait, what?
I need to have a word with Sergeant Stoddard before he gets away, and we can't both be sneaking through this house. Come on, give me a boost.
Can't believe I actually trusted you.
This is personal.
Personal? You helped Dawes and Stoddard put me away for 3 years. That's not personal?
Sorry to disappoint.
My mother died when I was in prison, Kai.
Jesus, Nick.
You know what? Save it. I don't give a shit what you do.
No. Power was out when we got here. Fucked if I know. We got plenty of blow. It's not my fucking problem, is it? Douchebag.
shoot last week?
Like, an 85.
Without cheating?
Like a 95.
Obviously, it's problematic. No, I never said it. I said the opposite.
Wait, what the fuck?
Get back! What the fuck? Shit! What the fuck?
I hit you, fucker!
Here we go!
Get him!